Alright, so this is it. I'm not going to show you the front of the box, but this is the Minisforum MS-02 Ultra. It just came in the mail and I'm going to unbox it. It just came by UPS, and let me get my knife out here. Shit. Alright. So let's see here. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking in this video because I know some people just want to just see the product for what it is. I'll leave the specs in the description below. Last thing before I continue unboxing, I bought this computer with my own money, so this was not a sponsored. Minisforum didn't come out and send this device to me like you see a lot of YouTubers nowadays. This was purchased with my own money. Seems like everybody on YouTube is just getting free devices. There it is. And you can see the specs here as well. Wow, I'm impressed. Build quality, or at least the frame, seems very, very nice. And one of the reasons why, well, I'm not going to even get into it, but it does have USB 4 version 2, which is basically Thunderbolt 5, but I guess with licensing and you know, expenses, they can't put or get it completely certified with Thunderbolt 5, but it does have Thunderbolt 5, I guess, speeds. But I know some Thunderbolt 5 devices might not work 100% because there's kind of like a handshake that has to go on, and some of these USB 4 version 2s are not full-on Thunderbolts, but whatever, that's another topic. Let me get to the inside of this machine. So from the videos I've watched, all you do is simply, well, I think you have to do it by hand, so you can. Let me see if I can do it by hand. Yes, I can. Okay, so I'm going to unscrew some of this stuff. I already have my own memory and NVMe, so this is just the bare bone system. Comes with nothing. Okay, and from the videos I've watched, all you do is you just simply pull this out. I wonder if I pull it. I should pull it this way. Yeah, this is probably the right way to pull it out. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna have definitely get in here and put some memory in here, but this is the guts of the unit. And forgive me for this video, I'm not, it's kind of like my first couple of videos, so I don't really know what it looks like on the camera. I have to kind of come around it. There we go. So I guess I wasn't showing you guys everything before. It's got rails. I'm trying to be careful at the bottom because the bottom has, what just fell? The bottom has, yeah, I'm gonna put this back down before I drop it. I'm tempted to just go ahead and just make one entire video of me. Well, no, I'm gonna end it because I'm gonna make another video of me putting into components like the memory and the NVMe. Right now is not a good time. I'm still on the clock. Let's see. So you have a 16, what is that? X16 PCI Express slot. Is that even it? And then you have a 4 times. I'm not even sure. Is that? Yeah, I think that is. Then you have the power supply, which I believe is 300 and something, 350 watts. I'm not too sure. But let's just go ahead and put this back inside. So there's 2 rails. Of course there would be 2 rails. What am I talking about? There we go. Gonna screw this back in. There's an accessory box, which I'm not going to really get into. You guys you don't really care about that. You just care about the actual device itself. So I'll just make one more final video here of just me spinning it around. All right. And I'll leave you with this. This is my newest computer to the collection. This is the Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 8. This is basically an upgrade to the X13, but I just got this laptop like maybe, what, 4 days ago, 3 days ago, and so far so good. It surprisingly, with the RTX Blackwell, I don't even know the actual. It's not a gaming graphics card, but it's a workstation graphics card. Surprisingly, it plays games pretty well, but I'll have another video of me when I have the eGPU from Sonic. I bought a eGPU enclosure from Sonic Tech. It's the breakaway box, the 850. And what I plan to do is, give me a second here. I'm gonna put this bad boy inside of it, the 9060 XT. I'm gonna put the graphics card inside of that breakaway box, and then I'm gonna use it as a, external graphics card solution for my Minisforum PC and my Lenovo ThinkPad. But anyway, this video is getting too long, and hopefully you guys liked the video. I'll put the link down to Minisforum if you want to buy a computer from them. They do have a referral program, which I wasn't aware of, but now I am. So I'll put that link below if you want to purchase a product from them. Again, this is my first purchase from them. Hopefully this device works and I don't have any issues. And hopefully if there is an issue, their warranty process is better than Razer's. But I'll make another video of me, I guess, putting the memory in NVMe and setting everything up. And all right, peace.